Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will explain basic structure of Go program using Hello World example. I used this example in my last video to test that our Go work environment works. If you need to set up Go environment on your machine, check suggested videos. In almost every Go file you would see these three sections: package, import statements, and your code. Go programs are organized into packages, which are similar to libraries or modules in other languages. For example, Go standard library provides different packages like time and log. Packages are usually a collection of code that correlates to single concept. Every Go source file should start with package keyword followed by package name. Package keyword tells us which package this file belongs to. In our case, it's main. Main has a special meaning. It tells Go compiler that we want to compile this program as an executable and not use it as a library. Next, we have import section. We can have one or more import statements. To use code from other package, we need to import it first. Here, we imported FMT package. It's from standard library and allow us to format and output data. We can import more than one package using group import. For that, we need to use import keyword followed by parentheses. Inside, we need to add package names we want to import as strings. Now, our code will fail to compile because we imported a log package without using it. Program also won't compile if there are missing imports. We need to keep only packages that we are using. This will help us with faster compile time. Next, we have our code section. The func keyword declares a function. In our case here, function named main. We mentioned that package main has special meaning in Go. Same is for a main function. When we execute program, the first thing that will run is main function in main package. After function name, we have in parentheses parameters. In our case, it's empty. And then function body enclosed in curly braces. Go is very strict about where you should place your curly braces. We need to make sure that opening brace is on the same line as the func keyword and closing brace is on its own line. If we put an opening brace on a separate line from the func keyword, the Go compiler will throw an syntax error. For this error, we should thank our Go compiler for inserting semicolons at the ends of statements or declarations. What happened here is that Go compiler inserted semicolon after parentheses, and this is not valid Go syntax. We got syntax error, unexpected semicolon or new line before opening curly brace. Now this is good time to explain how to read an error. First, we have name of the file, then line number where the error occurred, followed by character number within the line where the error occurred. And after that, we have description of the error. On the next line, we can see the use of FMT package and its println function. To call or invoke functions from imported packages, we need to type package name as a prefix, a dot, then name of the function followed by parentheses. In our case, println, where ln stands for line, will print one or more values separated by spaces with a new line character at the end. We can see that on this example. Let's now compile and run our program using the Go tools. Open your terminal and navigate to your program directory. I will open terminal in VS Code. Shortcut is Ctrl+ on Windows and Linux and Command- on Mac OS. To compile and run the program, we can use go run command and then the name of the Go program we want to execute. For us, it's hello.go. This command will compile the source code from one or more source files, connect it with libraries, and run the resulting executable binary. We have hello world, and on the new line we have hello YouTube. When we want to build Go programs as executables for later use, we can use the go build command, followed by name of the Go program. The build command will put compiled binary file into package folder. Binary file will be named after the first source file we used for build command. We used go build hello.go, so our file name will be hello. On Windows, .exe suffix is added to a binary file. Now, to run our program, we need to type name of our binary file. Open terminal and type hello.exe if you are on Windows, and for Linux and Mac OS, type just name of the file. Hello. We should see the same output as before. And that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please press like button, and if you would like to see more content like this, you can subscribe to my channel. Until the next time, bye!